The first thing is top 5 scorers in each subject. Okay, this let me tell you. Top 5 subject scorers in each subject. So what you should do? Just select the subject column. You should not select all the things and apply it. So the one subject is right. For physics, I want the top 5 scorers. So I select the entire column physics. I go to home, go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules. The top 10 item and one button is there. That you click. There you have an option to change the 10 to something else. Now the question is asking top 5 ones. So top 5 I want to highlight. I want to give, let's say, green color.
పాస్వర్డ్ కావాలి.
So for example, like this, I want to. I give on okay. Now, if
మనం
I actually
పెట్టమంటుంది
by mistake,
పెట్టేద్దామా?
if you select the entire list, right, what happens is out of the entire list, which are the top 5 will come and update. So see, the question is only for physics, each subject. So physics, I want to highlight in green color. So what I should do? I should just select entire thing only in physics because only physics are the top 5 scorers I want. I don't want to mix with chemistry, biology, maths, computer science, and English. So only physics are the values I am selecting. Conditional formatting, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell group, top slash bottom rules, that go and click on top 10 items. Format cells that rank in the top 10 because they're asking top 5. Now, next this, the color is right, you change it. Let's say green fill, to dark green fill. And then click on. Now you should not, the main point is you should not combine this with chemistry. Now, if you combine it with chemistry, what will happen? Let us see. Go to same thing, conditional formatting, top 5 items, top 10 items, top 5, and click on OK. Now you see, physics layer 3 has gotten highlighted, chemistry layer 2 has gotten highlighted. That means the top 5 is for physics and chemistry both combined are top 5. But that is not what is asked in the question. The question is asking each subject to the top 5 you have to highlight it. Physics to top 5 who, chemistry to top 5 who, maths to top 5 who. That is what we have to do. So now you have understood clearly? So now against it itself, if you see, next question is bottom 5. Bottom 5 is also same thing. You same cells you select, conditional formatting. Bottom 10 items will be there. That you select. So it will take some 5 minutes. You complete this and also try the third one. The exercise 3 is about highlighting duplicate value. Okay. Now I have given you a big list of numbers, values. This I want duplicates. For example, A is there. A is getting repeated again here, here. So it has to get highlighted. But you look at C. C is there only once. After that, there is no C itself. So that should not get highlighted. D is getting repeated here and here. E is getting only once. So I don't want to highlight it. So that is the objective. Duplicates, whichever value is coming more than once, should get highlighted. So what I do is select the entire data, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, go to duplicate straight up. Then you give on OK. So it will actually have a default formatting. You can actually change the formatting. So there is no problem. You can change the formatting. Now it's clear. This is actually the question. How can we format two ranges with similar formatting? Okay. The range is -25 to -50 and plus 25 to 50. So there are, let's take this cell. Now with this cell, until just check whether what I am telling is right. If this value is, let's say, 26, then it should have one color. If the value is 26 also, it should have the same format. Right? Yes. So two ways are there. One, you can have two formatting. You can have two formattings you can create. So one, you go to conditional formatting, new rule. Here you give and this value so has to be less than equal to minus 25 comma this value greater than equal to minus 50. So then you go to format. Let me give yellow color. Give on OK. Bracket.
Okay.
Give a format. Yeah. So now I try 26 minus it is coming color is coming plus 26 still color is coming 51 no color 50 color minus 50 also color. So now you got it answer. First thing you have to understand is the data. So absentees and all have blank values. So you have to use blank. That's correct. In case we have duplicate data and we have it is actually showing highlighting only three values 19, 20, and 17. So I think it is ignore considering duplicates as unique values. So five students, and I think all the five students will be highlighted. After that, nothing else will be highlighted. All have gotten the five high marks. Huh? Okay, I hope all of you have completed this one. So all these things. So third one is very simple. Highlight the absentees in yellow color. So what I do here, I can actually select everything. All these cells I can select one shot. I'll just select C70 alone. Go to conditional formatting. New rule. Go to the last option here. I select this cell. I remove the lock equal to blank. Go to format. Give yellow color. Okay. Okay. So now what has happened is, um, if it is because you see the data when you understand, see, Kavya Rasi is actually having blank in physics. That means she was absent in physics. So therefore, if it is blank, na, she does to get highlighted. That is why we gave the logic there. Now all the blanks are getting highlighted. Okay? I think you understood. See, when I copy pasted, that actually has gotten eliminated. That is a problem. We should not use copy paste. So the first thing you have to do is you have to do the third one, then you have to do the first and second one. That is why it has gotten eliminated. The same thing with chemistry also.